Today we're going to cook black chickpeas. These black chickpeas, I have boiled them. I've soaked them overnight and then boiled them for 20 minutes. So once you have boiled the chickpeas, it's very soft. You can press it like that. And together with the chickpeas, you also put potatoes. I put 3 potatoes, so you boil together the potatoes. And the water from the chickpeas, you should keep it to make the curry. So now we'll go through the ingredient that is required to do the chickpeas curry. 2 large onions, then 7 cloves of garlic, little bit of ginger, and then 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, half tablespoon of fennel powder, 2 tomatoes, 2 large tomatoes, curry leaves, cinnamon stick, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 star anise. And then we will be using turmeric, salt, and fish curry powder. Let's begin now. So we will begin by blending the onions, garlic, and the ginger. Okay, another thing, we also will put some of the chickpeas into the blender. This will give a nice taste. Probably 1.5 spoon of chickpeas. And put a lot of water. There's a reason behind it. When you put so much of water, later you want to put the spices, is much easier. You will see as I go along. Now we'll on the gas and add some oil. Now the oil has heat up, we will put the cinnamon stick, the star anise, and the curry leaves. We will put the grinded ingredient. We'll let it cook for 5 minutes. So now the grinded ingredient is getting boiled. So now we'll put in the spices. Half teaspoon of fennel, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of, you take it full, 2 tablespoons of fish curry powder. Then you stir it. I'm going to add 1 more spoon of curry powder. It looks like it's not enough. So just now when we blend the ingredient, we put extra water so that we don't have to add water when we are putting the spices. The spices will mix well. So now we'll put the tomatoes and we'll cook this until there is oil. Oil comes up from the spices, the ingredients. So give another 5-10 minutes and let this thing boil. So while cooking the ingredient, you keep on stirring so that it doesn't get burnt. So I'm just going to cover it so it doesn't splash. So we give another 5-10 minutes. Now we already cooked for 10 minutes and you can see the water have reduced, and this is the time you can see there's a bit of oil around it. And cooking for 10 to 15 minutes of these spices are very important to make sure the spices are properly cooked so that you don't get the raw taste. So just be patient and always cover it because it splashes a lot. So at this time we'll add in half potato which I already mashed, this to give a nice potato flavor. At the same time we'll take the black chickpeas, and the potato we boiled earlier, so we'll pour in now. So there's water inside there. So the water has flavor as well. So do not throw the water, use up the water. Okay, it's a bit thick. So we'll add a bit more water inside. Half a cup of water. Salt. One teaspoon of salt. Now we'll let the chickpeas curry to boil. We are almost done. At this time we'll add half a cup of milk as well. So it gives you a nice color and nice flavor. So now we'll cook the chickpeas until it's boiled. Once it's boiled, it's done. Now the curry is ready. We can take it out. You can eat this curry with rice or with chapati, and black chickpeas is very nutritious. So do try this recipe. You will enjoy this as much as I enjoy it.